Final Fantasy VII Rebirth is the highly anticipated sequel to Final Fantasy VII Remake, and like many major releases, it's not without its issues. If you're experiencing problems while playing, here's a list of common issues and their possible solutions. 1. Game crashes, freezing possible causes. 1. Corrupted game files. 2. Incompatibility with hardware or software. 3. Overheating or hardware performance issues. Solutions. 1. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, Steam or Epic Games Store, verify the integrity of the game files. 1. This can be done through the launcher. For Steam, right-click the game, Properties, Local Files, verify integrity. For Epic, click on the 3 dots next to the game greater than Manage, verify. 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers and other hardware drivers are up to date. 3. Reduce graphics settings. Lower in-game graphics settings, like texture quality, resolution, and shadow details, if your system is struggling with performance. 4. Check for overheating. Ensure your PC, console is well ventilated, especially during long play sessions. 2. Performance issues, low FPS, possible causes. 1. Hardware limitations. 2. Background applications consuming too many resources. 3. Poor optimization for your specific system. Solutions. 1. Lower graphics settings. Reducing settings like shadows, reflections, and anti-aliasing can improve performance. 2. Close background applications. Ensure no unnecessary applications, like web browsers, music players, etc., are running while playing the game. 3. Enable V-Sync or frame rate cap. This can help reduce FPS drops and screen tearing. 4. Disable hardware acceleration. If you're using Discord, browsers, or other software with hardware acceleration, try disabling it. 5. Upgrade hardware. If you're playing on PC and performance issues persist, consider upgrading your graphics card or adding more RAM. 3. Audio issues, sound cutting out or distorted, possible causes. 1. Incorrect audio settings. 2. Outdated audio drivers. 3. Audio conflicts from other applications or devices. Solutions. 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that the correct audio device is selected, e.g., speakers, headphones, within the game and your system settings. 2. Update audio drivers. Check for updates for your sound card or motherboard drivers. 3. Reboot the game. Restart the game or your device to clear any temporary audio glitches. 4. Disable third-party audio software. If you're using third-party audio software, like Dolby Atmos or similar, try disabling it to see if it resolves the issue. 4. Save file corruption or save issues possible causes. 1. Improper save during crashes or power loss. 2. Game patching or update issues. 3. Cloud saves not syncing properly. Solutions. 1. Back up your saves. If you're on PC, make sure to back up your save files regularly. 1. For console players, ensure cloud saves are enabled. 2. Disable cloud saves temporarily. If syncing issues are happening, disable cloud saves and try to play offline until you can ensure your saves are properly backed up. 3. Restore a previous save. If your save file is corrupted, you may need to load an earlier save. 3. Always keep backups of critical progress.